All right. This is the Gatsby quiz, chapters 1 through 4. You can use your book and your notes, whatever you have, all right? So for chapter 1, we have 3 questions. The first question is, what college did both Nick and Tom attend? Number 2, during dinner, Nick is told that Tom is having an affair with some woman in New York. Which character tells him this? And then number 3, Jordan Baker is a professional athlete. What sport does she play? Remember, you can stop this video and rewind as many times as you need. Chapter 2, 1 question. How did Myrtle and Tom meet? Chapter 3. Who is the drunk man in the library? What do they call him in the book? So just what's his name? Number 6, what surprising connection do Nick and Gatsby have? It's a person. Who do they know? Who do they both know? And then chapter 4. Gatsby is trying much too hard to impress Nick. What university does Gatsby claim that he went to? Number 8, what happened the night before Daisy's wedding? Number 9, it has been 5 years since Daisy and Gatsby have seen each other. Describe multiple things Gatsby has done, as explained by Jordan, to make sure that their paths cross again. So basically, what has Gatsby done since in these 5 years to make sure that he will one day see Daisy again? All right, that is it. Good luck.